Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So excuse that noise in the background, that is my printer. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys where to get lip gloss tubes. So if you want to get anything, the first thing you want to do is just straight up just Google it. So I'm just going to Google lip gloss tubes, and then a bunch of places is going to pop up. So we have a lot of different places, as you can see. So first, we're just going to start with the first thing I see. We're not going to do TKB Trading because everybody knows about TKB Trading. I might save them for last. Okay, so here are the lip gloss tubes they have on this website. So I think these are really gorgeous. They have rhinestones at the top, looks like. They are very pretty. Yeah, these are very pretty. I think I've seen these on Aliexpress too. But let's see about pricing. So you can get 20 for $70 pretty much, 40 for $132, 60 for $191, and 80 for $249. So these are really gorgeous. As you can see by, oh, that's really pretty. But I think we could find this for a cheaper price, maybe. We'll see. And there are 10 ml. So let's see. These are also really pretty. I've seen a lot of people have these as well. These are 99 cents each, looks like. So 10 for $10.79, 20 for $19.79, 30 for $31.49, 40 for $38.69, and 50 for $48. So yeah, these are a little bit more reasonable. But these are so pretty. And I think these are like, yeah, they're 5 ml. All right, let's see. Here are some more rhinestones. They're slightly different. Let's see about pricing. 5 for $5.84, 10 for $11, 20 for $21, 30 for $29, 40 for $36. So yeah, these are a lot cheaper. But the other ones were prettier, I must admit. But these will have to do for like price range. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's see these. These are pretty too. I like these because they look different. I haven't seen anybody with these tubes. Okay, let's see pricing. 5 for $8, 10 for $13, 20 for $26, 30 for $36, 40 for $45. I did a video on these called DIY pencil lip gloss tubes, I think. These are 3.5 ml. These are very pretty. You can get 5 for $11, 10 for $20, 20 for $32, 40 for $55. Yeah, these are much cheaper on AliExpress. Check out the other video. I have a link in the description. These are also very pretty. Everybody, I've shown these before. They are 5 ml. Pricing is not too bad. 30 for $32, 40 for $40, 20 for $23. But yeah, these are very pretty. These are, how many ml is this? Oh yeah, 5 ml. These, everybody's seen, I did a video on these too, I think. 10 for $25. Yeah, that's high. I've seen AliExpress much cheaper. These are gorgeous. These are 7 ml. These are really pretty. Pricing 10 for $11, 20 for $26, 30 for $35, 40 for $46, and 50 for $56. Yeah, this is a much better deal. But those are freaking gorgeous. Okay, moving on. And they do have these in gold. I don't know, I think the gold looks kind of prettier. Pricing is what? Let's see. Pricing is pretty much the same. 50 for $52, 30 for $31, 20 for $23, 10 for $11.69. But yeah, that's really pretty. These were interesting. I think these are like too small though. They're 4 ml. But they are pretty, I must admit. 5 for $15, 10 for $26, 40 for $100. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Let's see. These are cute. I haven't seen these before. They are, you get 30 for $24, but they're only 1.5 ml. That's way too small. Pass on those. These are really pretty too, as you can see. Yeah, that's gorgeous. You get 10 for $13 and you can choose your style. Let's see, these are pretty too. Oh, they have black and pink ones. Okay. These are 10 for $13. That's cute too. I've had these before. I really didn't care for these too much. They are pretty, but I don't really recommend these. The 8 ml, they're $15 for 10, 28 for 20, 37 for 30, and 66 for 50. It's a little bit high. Or you can get these basic squeeze tubes, 10 for $6. 5 ml, $5.99, 10 ml, $7.98. And they have these, which is very pretty too. 7 ml, $12.59, 10 for $12.59, 20 for $27, 30 for $39. I've seen these too, these candy tubes. These are kind of cute. How is this 8 ml? How? I don't think that's 8 ml. But 10 for $17, 20 for $30. Yes, high. These were gorgeous too. I have not seen anybody with these tubes. 5 for $20, way too high. Let's see. Everybody's seen these 6 ml. They are 3 for $6, 5 for $10, 4 for $8. High. Never seen these before. They're kind of like pens to me. They're cool. That's 7 ml, $15 for 10, 40 for 40, 44 for 50. So 50 would be the best buy. Let's see. These twist pens. 3 ml, $2 for 1, $27 for 20. Way too high. These are gorgeous too. Wow, that's really pretty. I like these. $25, 5 ml. What is that for 1? How many am I getting for $25? I don't know. It doesn't even tell me. Let's see. Okay, so that's pretty. These are pretty. 5 for 20. 3.5 ml is kind of high. This is really pretty. That rainbow is gorgeous. $23 for 10, 5 ml. And we can look at these two. 15 ml, $30 for 50, or $57 for 100. Let's see. What is this? These aren't lip gloss tubes, are they? Yeah, I know what that is. I've seen these. They have like this little lip at the top. That's cute. 6 ml, 10 for 23. That's not too bad at all. These were gorgeous too. Oh, that's Sears. That's Sears, too pretty. $17 for 10, $66 for 50. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next website. So, let's see. We're not going to look at Wish, okay? Let's just go to Aliexpress because they have the cheap. You can get 100 of these pencil tubes for $72. You can get 50 for 40, 30 for 25, 18 for 20, and 10 for 12. That's a really good deal. Let's see. Now we saw these on there too. These are going to be much cheaper. 50 for 66, 30 for 43, 20 for 31, 10 for 16. That's not a bad deal at all. Let's see. These are pretty too. Those are really pretty. They're 2 ml. 50 for 59, 30 for 38, 20 for 26, 10 for 15. That's not bad at all. And it's another one I saw I wanted on here. Let's try these. You can get 100. Wow, you get 100 for $68. 50 for 40, 30 for 25, 20 for 18, 10 for 12. That's really good. And these were, how many ml is this? Let's see, 5 ml. Okay, that's not bad at all. But yeah, guys, if you just want something, the first step is just Google it. Most people, they just ask other people, but if you just Google it, you might just find the answer on your own. So like these are gonna be much cheaper. 50 for $30, 30 for 19, and 10 for 9. But yeah, guys, Aliexpress is definitely the place to go for lip gloss. But yeah, guys, Aliexpress is the way to go because it will be the cheapest. So you can just type in lip gloss tubes or empty lip gloss tubes, and then they'll all show up here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and these right here. 5 ml, we saw these. 50 for 91. Yeah, that's still too high. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.